Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss the latest updates on Iraq's monetary reform and economic situation. Today, we're going to take a closer look at a recent key development in the Baghdad Stock Exchange and its potential significance for the Iraqi dinar's future. The dollar's decline in Baghdad. Recently, the US dollar has fallen slightly in the Baghdad Stock Exchange and in broader currency exchanges. While this might seem like a small event on the surface, it actually signals a crucial shift towards greater stability in Iraq's economy. The exchange rate of the dollar against the dinar is one of the most closely watched indicators of economic health in Iraq, and any fluctuation can have wide-reaching implications for businesses, citizens, and foreign investors. In this case, the decline of the dollar is particularly significant because it reflects improving confidence in the local currency, the Iraqi dinar. A stronger dinar, backed by more stable market conditions, is a key goal for Iraq's monetary policymakers and something that has been a long time coming. Dr. Shabibi's vision: stability before revaluation. Now, to really understand the importance of this development, we need to go back in time a bit and revisit the vision of Dr. Shabibi, the former governor of the Central Bank of Iraq. Dr. Shabibi is well known for his careful approach to monetary reform and his belief that a stable financial environment is critical before the revaluation, or RV, of the Iraqi dinar can happen. His approach was built on ensuring that Iraq's economy could withstand the pressures of a revalued currency. According to Dr. Shabibi, there needed to be a balance of economic growth, banking sector reform, and controlled inflation before any major changes to the dinar's value could be implemented. This meant that Iraq had to achieve a level of currency stability, both domestically and internationally, before a new value could be realistically introduced. What does a falling dollar mean for Iraq's future? Now, the fact that the dollar is falling slightly in Iraq is a positive indicator that the country is moving in the right direction. It shows that Iraq is gradually achieving more of the stability that Dr. Shabibi believed was necessary for the revaluation to take place. But what does this mean for investors and everyday Iraqis? For one, it suggests that the Central Bank of Iraq is effectively managing its monetary policy to keep the dinar on a stable path. The dollar's decline also indicates that Iraq's banking system is becoming more resilient, and confidence is growing in the local economy. This is an essential step before any substantial move to revalue the currency, as the stability of the dinar in everyday transactions must be secured first. The bigger picture: monetary reform and economic growth. Looking at the bigger picture, this shift fits into Iraq's broader efforts to reform its monetary policy. There's been a lot of focus recently on initiatives to bring back the 3-0 currency into banks and the ongoing project to delete the zeros from the dinar. All of these moves aim to modernize Iraq's monetary system and position the dinar as a stronger, more stable currency on the global stage. It's important to note that the Central Bank of Iraq isn't just focusing on exchange rates, but is also working on increasing confidence within the country's banking sector and improving its overall infrastructure. All of these factors: stability in the stock exchange, a stronger local currency, and reforms in the banking system, are interconnected and crucial for Iraq's long-term financial health. So what we're seeing here is a sign of gradual progress. The slight fall of the dollar in the Baghdad Stock Exchange might seem like a small change, but in the context of Iraq's economic reform, it's a key indicator of stability. And as we know from Dr. Shabibi's earlier strategies, this stability is essential before any significant change in the value of the Iraqi dinar can occur. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest developments in Iraq's monetary reform and economic situation. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on what this could mean for Iraq's future, and we'll see you in the next video.